So today I'm here with a new album to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel and happy Thanksgiving. So it's probably Thanksgiving when you're watching this video, and I wanna thank you so much for all your kind love and support to my channel and to the books that I create. And I hope that with my projects you can find a little bit of happiness when you watch the videos. Maybe you relax after a long day, or hopefully I can inspire you to create yourself one. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you the newest digital collection that I have. So this is the collection that I create every month for my Patreon. So this is the November collection called Amistad, inspired on the sweet friendships that we create throughout our lives. And I love how this came out. So if you're on my Patreon, you have access to the tutorial, you have access to the digital collection, but if not, I also have the collection listed on my website. And by the way, I am having the biggest sale of the year, so all my collections are 35% off, and all my video class tutorials are also 30% off. So make sure that you take advantage of that for Black Friday. And so yeah, so I will have this collection and the video class listed on the description box below. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a Lapbook style book, measures 9 by 8.5. On the cover here I have the beautiful friends over here, and then some flowers that I just did a little collage on the corner. These are all Prima flowers. These kind of like a little circle of flowers are from one of the pages from the design. So I just went ahead and cut around, and then I used 2 sheets and then just gonna mirror them. The kitty is so cute. I had to include the kitty. I wanted to put more kitties, but they were a little bit big. So anyway, we have over here some trim, and I think I'm gonna be adding over here some kind of like, if I can find some bling or something sparkly, that would be really cute. On the spine I have the other little kitty, so cute. And then this is the back. I love the flower backgrounds that I included on this collection. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. I wanted each page on this Lapbook to be a surprise reveal. So very interactive book here. So when you open this up, over here we have the image again of the friends. They're all friends on this book, and I'm sorry I'm only including girls. I went to an all-girls school and I just thought that was so pretty. This opens up like this, and then again another image here, and then we can do some journaling on the side, so, or add little pictures there, and then a place for a picture here, and then we have a little pull tab, and so this opens up like that. So again, each page has a different interactive feature there. So we have a 3D pop-up here of these beautiful girls, and then you can add a picture here or on the back, and again some journaling. So this closes up. That is this first page here. Then this opens up, and then we have a pocket with a sliding picture area right there, so you can add a picture here, and same thing on the back. And I added a design page on every page here, but you can definitely leave some of this blank to just put your pictures. So here's a pocket. I love that the colors of the collections are very light, so again you can journal and add a little message on the page itself. Then this opens here to the side, and again we have 2 cute little friends, and then this opens up, and this is a pop-up and more of these little girls, so you can add 2 by 3 pictures on this pop-up here, and then some journaling space right there. And then on this other side we just have the same thing, the same pop-up, another image of the girls, and then place for journaling. and then that closes up. And then here at the center we have a fun tower page, so this opens up, and then these two kind of join together, magnetize on the center here. And if you look at these from the front, you will see the tower, and then this spins around, and you can add pictures on each side there. I just added design paper, but again you can leave it empty and just add pictures in here. And then this just closes down. You have seen me do these towers here before, and they're just so fun and so interactive to add to your books. So that is all on this left side. And now let's take a look on to the other side. Another beautiful image, more of these flower backgrounds. This opens down, place for a picture or journaling. Then this opens up here again, and again with the cute little kitty. You can add a picture there on the side, larger place for picture. And then this is a sliding page here. We have another one of these cute little girls, and then this is a accordion fold, so I just left that blank for pictures, and then a large background there for another pictures area. And then this closes up, this opens up, and we have a large pop-up. So this is another one of the twist and pop, and this one will fit 4x6 pictures. So I just added some blush color cardstock to kind of just indicate where the pictures will go, but you can leave that blank. Then again, the cute little girls, you can add pictures here on the sides as well. And then this whole thing closes up, and then this opens one more time here to the side, large area. I just love this page here. This was probably my favorite background page. And then I created a little endless booklet here. So this little piece could be a little mini book on its own, but I made this to spin around so you can add your pictures on any direction. And all the inside is just blank, but this opens up and then it opens down. I do have some magnets here to keep that closed. Opens up and down, and then this here opens to the side and it opens like that. So we have an accordion fold, and then this whole thing closes, and then we open these here, and then these two open to the side, and then this is the spinnable base. So I just put this image here as an example, but then all of these are basically areas for pictures, so quite a lot of space for pictures on this book. And so there you go, that is the Amistad or friendship book. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed the walkthrough of this book, and I hope that you are having a beautiful and amazing Thanksgiving and enjoy the company of your family, your friends, your pets, and I hope that you're eating some good food and just having a very relaxing day. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.